it's Ella from Stillwell Ford, and today I'm going to show you around the 2021 Mach 1 Mustang. So this one here that we've got in the showroom today is a Jet Fighter Grey, the exclusive Mach 1 colour with the appearance pack on it too. What Ford have tried to do is really resemble the original 1969 Mach 1 with this front grille. So comparing to your standard GT, it's got that unique look to it. So only in the Jet Fighter Grey, with the appearance pack, do you get the orange on the front bonnet. A part of the appearance pack in the Jet Fighter Grey, you do get the orange calipers as well. And alongside, you get the orange in the stitching of the seats. And you've got the Mach 1 badging at the back. So you get the Michelin tyres with the matte black wheels and the Mach 1 scuff plates. We've got the cue ball gear knob, which is controlling the Tramatic TR 361 6-speed manual transmission from the Shelby GT 350. In this Mustang here, we've got the normal Mach 1 seats as part of the appearance pack with the orange strip, but you can also opt in for the Recaro racing seats. And we've got the unique startup screen that you don't get on any of the other Mustangs. So they've tuned the engine with a different note, and we've got the chrome exhaust tips here as well. So Magna Ride suspension is a standard in the Mach 1, whereas in a standard GT you have to opt in for it. So I'm not going to lie, it's not easy to get your hands on one of these Mach 1 Mustangs that have been turning heads for the last 50 years. But if you wanted to come in, have a chat about one, you're more than welcome.